Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is podcast editing. With the rise of podcasts, there's a growing demand for editors who can polish audio files. If you enjoy working with sound, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Many podcasters pay $50 to $200 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services to new podcasters or reach out to podcast networks. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is market research. Businesses need insights into their target audience, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies make informed decisions. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for market research services. To stand out, focus on delivering actionable insights and clear reports. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Third is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. If you're good at troubleshooting and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of common software and hardware issues. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for tech support services. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses that need IT help. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about e-commerce management. Many entrepreneurs need help managing their online stores, and that's where you come in. As an e-commerce manager, you'll handle tasks like inventory management, order processing, and customer service. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the scope of the work. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose podcast editing, market research, tech support, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.